If you want to quickly check your Hostinger plan, I'll show you the easiest way to find it inside your account in just a few clicks. This is really useful if you need to confirm your hosting plan name, check your server details, or find important account information like your IP address and name servers. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Hostinger account and go to the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Websites. This will show you all the websites connected to your account, so you can choose the exact one you want to check. Next, find the website you want and click Dashboard next to it. This opens the management area for that specific website. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left sidebar menu and find the Hosting section. Under Hosting, click on Plan Details. This is where Hostinger keeps the key information about your current hosting setup. Now you'll be able to view your active hosting plan name, so you can confirm exactly which plan your website is using. You can also check useful technical details like your IP address, server location, and assigned name servers. These details are especially helpful if you're connecting a domain, setting up DNS records, or just verifying your hosting information. Take a moment to review everything carefully, and if needed, you can copy these details for future use. And that's it. Now you know how to check your Hostinger plan fast and confidently. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Hostinger guides, and I'll see you in the next one.